Interesting setup, Fred. You say you can use a little rubber ball to help with neck pain and posture through the whole body. So what Fred was trying to show me was many times we have neck pain due to whole body posture issues. I've talked about this before, but many of us who sit at a desk too long, or for a number of reasons, we hunch our shoulders, bring them forward towards our ears, and we round our upper back. And these muscles here get long and weak, and these muscles here get tight and weak. And that creates a lot of neck pain because our ears are way in front of our shoulders, making these guys work too hard. So how can we strengthen these guys while teaching the whole body how to work together for good posture? And one thing Fred discovered was by using a little rubber ball, and if we stand up here against a wall, a ball's distance away, and just gently press the back of our head into it, can we tuck our chin back and try to stand up tall? You know, if you look at my feet here, I'm just barely getting up onto my toes, and my heels are like a paper's height off of the floor. And so I'm pressing my whole body back into the wall with tight glute muscles, tight butt muscles, and tight belly muscles. Comfortably tight, not grit your teeth or scrunch your face tight. And so I can just kind of stand here, pulling my shoulders down and pulling my shoulders back, almost like I'm trying to touch my elbows to the wall here. And I'll just sit here for 20, 30 seconds. Once I'm comfortable with that and been doing this for a little while, I can start to do things like turn my head, keeping a constant pressure in the back of my head against the ball, and just rolling back and forth to get some of those muscles on the side of our neck warmed up and turned on. I can even do things like gently squat down a couple inches and then try to stand up as if I'm jumping. Gently squat down and gently jump. What I'm doing here is activating my entire posterior chain of my calves, hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and the muscles between the shoulder blades, as well as the back of the neck, so that we can teach our whole body good posture. That way, when I'm walking around in daily life, my body will know to ka-chunk versus collapse. So we're just training those muscles and those nerves to want to instinctively pull back into good posture. So similar thing, we want to train all sides of the body because sometimes we're going to be leaning to the side. So we'll get a comfortable distance away from the wall and just gently press our head in. Again, nothing here should hurt or be painful or too intense. This is just about activating the muscles on the wall side. Again, turning my head ever so gently, gently standing up, gently almost jumping. And again, same thing, facing the wall. I'll put it on my forehead. I'm trying to stay tall, and then I'm going to lean into the wall by activating the front of my muscles. This time I'm trying to pull my arms away from the wall, still tight glute muscles, and it's nice and tall. I'm up on my toes just a little bit, and I can turn my head side to side. For each of those positions, try to stay there for 30 seconds. Back 30 seconds, left side 30 seconds, front 30 seconds, right side 30 seconds. As you get stronger, you can do more rotations and play around. Use this position to explore. Let me know what you think.